Living in Italy is a daily wonder. It means being reminded every day of the fact that beauty resides in everything around us. It is in the wide roads that snake their way across the vineyards, in the azure skies that hold the stories of the world for us, in the land, and in the smell of the tomatoes. You can come back home with your mind at ease, since that story is waiting for you, with its palaces and its frescoed ceilings. Our villas, our homes and castles are the true gemstones of Italy. This is our task. This is our mission. We are both explorers and guardians, dreamers and travel mates, and this journey is for you. Discover this beauty. Savor it with a glass of good wine. Experience it with the wind playfully ruffling your hair, the murmur of the sea cradling your mind, and the sun kissing your skin. All this can truly belong only to those who know how to love. We exist to give this beauty to you. We're here to gift you with this bottomless treasure chest of historic homes, villas, castles, magical and exclusive places. We're here to show you this beauty, to make you truly live Italy. We are Lionard.